In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Trello card. Whether you've archived it by mistake or simply need to bring it back into your workflow, restoring cards in Trello is a straightforward process. So let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Trello's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com. You'll be greeted by Trello's homepage, and from here, click on the Login button, which you should see at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked, you'll be taken to the Login page. Here, you'll see various options for logging in. For simplicity, let's use Google. Click on the Google button to proceed. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, Trello will prompt you to select your Google account. Choose your account and you should be logged into your Trello dashboard right away. In case you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your Trello boards. Now that you're logged in, locate the board where your archived card is stored. Click on your board to access it. Once inside your board, direct your attention to the board menu, which you can find by clicking on the three dots at the top right-hand corner of your screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, there's an option labeled More. Click on it and you'll see the Archived Items option. Click on Archived Items to open a new window that displays all your archived cards and lists associated with this board. Take a moment to scroll through these to find the card you wish to restore. If you have many archived items, you can use the search function to locate it more easily. Once you've located the card you want to restore, hover over it. A Restore option will appear right next to it. Click on Restore, and just like that, your card will be brought back to its original place on your board, ready for you to continue working on it. And there you have it. This simple process allows you to efficiently manage your workflow and ensures nothing gets permanently lost. Remember that you can always archive items again if necessary, giving you flexible management over your tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on using Trello and other productivity tools. Happy organizing!